I'm going to demonstrate using layers in Photoshop. So let me share my screen. So here I am in Photoshop. So how I got to this point is I went to File, Scripts, load the files into a stack, and then I selected the three photos using the browse. And then I attempted to click the attempt to automatically align source images here. And then I added those open files to bring them into Photoshop as layers. So once I have them in layers here, I move my window around. So I have 3 layers. So I have nothing. I have the one layer photo that I showed in the video. And the second photo that's merged on top, I did screen for all 3 of them. So select screen, and you can see the different options. What I think screen kind of shows the best. So there's the 3 images merged together. Again, that was the first photo I took. There's a second one I took that merged with that one, and that's the third one. I think it came out pretty good. I mean, I didn't spend a lot of time. With more practice using the layers, you can probably do better. Kind of as a harsh light, you can also use different lights. So that's how I do that, and then I'll export this as a final image. So stop sharing and continue with the lesson. Thank you.